Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a super easy way to spice up your summer table and probably make anyone who eats this super happy. And yeah, I hope you like it. My recipes are always, inspired on how to make things super quick and super easy for someone who's starting out to cook, or for someone who just wants a super quick and easy way to cook. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll get straight into the video. So the ingredients for this recipe consists of 1 bowl of white beans soaked in water for 24 hours, boneless lamb leg, 2 sliced carrots, 1 sliced onion, 1 cup spinach, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons of parsley, 1 tablespoon of sweet pepper paste, half a cup of passata, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. And don't forget 1 cubed potato. And just like that, you have an amazing dish ready for any occasion of the year. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment letting me know what other dishes you would like to see. Thank you.